Hello guys, I just want to share to you my weird experience this day as I start to have a vlog wherein a vlog wherein people are looking at me differently, and it's a weird experience. And because it's my first time having a vlog, and wherever I go, I walk around in the store, in the coffee shop, and it's really weird. And I think you have also experienced this one the first time you did it. And according to Chai in the tacklist Chai, uh, maanad rin na silang tanaw mo. It's okay. Pati, taway. Maanad rin na sila or ikaw mo'y maanad nila magtanaw. So, I hope I will be able to conquer the fear, and if you have also the same experience as I have experienced today, please don't forget to share it below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.